Planning to ship a car to Haiti? Whether you're relocating, sending a vehicle to family, or importing for business, here's your essential guide to costs, methods, and key considerations. Shipping a car to Haiti typically ranges from $1,200 to $3,500, depending on factors like departure port, shipping method, and vehicle size. For instance, Miami to Port-au-Prince, $1,200, $1,500, 7-12 days, New York to Port-au-Prince, $2,700, $4,200, 8-17 days, California to Port-au-Prince, $3,700, $4,200, 15-23 days. Delivery times can vary based on route, customs clearance, and final destination in Haiti. Two primary shipping methods are available: roll-on/roll-off, RoRo. Vehicles are driven onto the ship and secured. It's a cost-effective and faster option, but exposes your car to the elements. Container shipping. Your vehicle is placed inside a container, offering protection from weather and potential damage. It's ideal for high-value or classic cars. Choose based on your budget, timeline, and the value of your vehicle. To ship your car to Haiti, ensure you have the following documents: original vehicle title and registration, bill of sale, ocean bill of lading passport or visa driver's license. Having these documents in order will help expedite the shipping and customs process. Haiti imposes import taxes based on the vehicle's value. Vehicles valued over $2,000 are taxed at 20%. A 10% tourist tax applies to used cars. Daily storage fees may apply if your vehicle is held at the port. Non-governmental organizations, NGOs, are exempt from import taxes, but must pay an inspection fee. Proper preparation ensures a smooth shipping process. Clean your vehicle inside and out. Remove all personal belongings and detachable accessories. Ensure the gas tank is no more than a quarter full. Document any existing damage with photos. These steps help prevent issues during transport and facilitate a quicker inspection upon delivery. Shipping your car to Haiti doesn't have to be complicated. With the right preparation and knowledge, you can ensure a smooth and timely delivery.